So hello fellow coin collectors, in today's video, well, we've got the last lot of coins from this 1 kilo bag. So I'm just going to go through all these. Generally, if the coin is not worth much, I won't say a price. If it's worth a bit, then I will give a value that I think it does. So the first coin is an East German 5 Finney, A for Berlin, and this is a 1952, so the last issue of, actually 1953 was, without the East German coat of arms. So this one just has hammer, a compass, and wheat. And this one's probably worth, $2 to $3. It's a pretty good coin. Not too sure if I got it in my collection, but it's made of aluminium. Another aluminium coin is this Polish coins. This is the one Zloty. Is it 1949? Yes, it is. So this one's probably also worth about $2 to $3, and it's a quite a nice coin. At this time period, the Polish, they issued base metal coins in brass, copper, bronze, and aluminium. Generally, and the same denomination had two different metals. I don't know why. Guess someone was a bit confused at the mint. Okay, then we have a German coin, 10 Finney. So this is from Hamburg, I think, and 1950. But this is in pretty good condition. But this is a high mint coin, so probably $2 to $3 for that coin. So I've never really seen one from 1950s in this good grade. Then we have an Italian lira, 1956. So this is a steel coin. In this condition, not really worth that much, but it's a nice coin. I like the design. So this doesn't represent anyone, but that it looks like a Roman figure. This is probably one of the Roman guides, but I'm not too sure who it is. Then we have, this coin I don't have. So this is an Indian 5 rupees. This has security rated. So that's supposed to be milled as well. And 2008. These coins are not popular, so they actually removed the waves off the coin. And they did issue one with I think it was 5 fingers, but they weren't popular too. So this one in this condition is probably worth $3 to $4, but that's going in the collection. Okay, 2 pence coin. Okay, don't believe the hype. These are only worth face value pretty much. This coin still currently circulates in the UK. I believe this is probably nickel plated, copper plated steel. The earlier ones are bronze. Then we have a bronze 5 Urdo from Denmark, probably worth $1 or $2. So CS, the heart is the Copenhagen Mint, and this one's dated 1963. Oh yeah, but it's a bit damaged, so probably not really worth that much. Then, Finland, 10 pennier. So this one, not really worth that much. 1976. Then we have the coat of arms of Finland, which has a lion. Bit strange, lions never existed in Finland. Then, Russian coin. You like Russia? It's just watching some commentary on the war that's going on in Ukraine. So this is a current 10 rubles, the highest value. And the interesting thing about this is that you have, you got the word ruble on that way. And where's the coin again? If I turn it this way, it should have the denomination 10. So you turn it that way, you've got 10. Turn it this way, you have ruble. There you go. You can see it. So Australia should issue $2 like this. So this has a face value of of 10 rubles, or about 25 Australian cents. 2011, and I've got that one. Just not sure if it's that date. Next coin is a 20 Copic from the Soviet Union, so it does include Russia. Also, countries like Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Estonia. And this one is probably not worth much. I just sell them as a lot. South African coin. So this is no longer circulates, has a bird on it. And this one, 2008. So every year for these South African coins, the language changes. So I'll keep that one because I'm not too sure if I do have it. Then we have a Turkish coin, so 100 lira, 987, hyperinflation. Now I've got this coin, so this is only worth about $1 or $2. Okay, another inflated coin. So this is Indonesia, 994, 100 rupiah. Oh no, 50 rupiah. This is a Komodo dragon. Cantonese called Format Dolong. Okay, and it's probably worth $1 or $2, but you need to check the mintages of those coins. Then we have a halfpenny, 1889. It's a pretty old coin, but as you can see, this one's been cleaned. And Queen Victoria. So if it wasn't cleaned, probably worth about $5 or so. Being cleaned, it would reduce its value probably about half. And here we have a current coin of Taiwan, $1 with, this is Chiang Kai-shek, and $1. So the dating is up here. So this is dated 95. So that's 2006. Anyway, that's not really worth much. Then we have a Czech coin of 5 korun, probably worth $1 or $2, depending on the date. So you need to check the date. 1970. I don't know the mintages offhand, but you know, this could be a low mint, could also be a high mint. So you need to check them. Then we have a current coin of China. So steel coin. You can get these in aluminium, but 2019, where's 2018? 18 and 19, they changed the actual style a bit. So, but if you go to China, this is the coin you're going to use in circulation. And another current coin, so this is a 1 baht from Thailand. So these ones with this portrait stopped being issued in 2009. This is a copper nickel worth about 4 cents. So still current, you can spend it. And Turkish coin from the 1970s. So this is 1965. So these are issued between the 50s and 70s, should I say. Yeah, well, I've sold a few of these for like $3 or $4. But once again, you need to check for low mintages because some years in Turkish reign are low mintage. And, oh, then we have another East German coin. This is a 1968. So I believe this is the first year of this one. And this has the coat of arms of East Germany. So worth about $1 or $2. And also, once again, oh, this looks, is that rotated? Let's turn it around. Oh, yeah, it is too. That's a rotated coin. So I'll probably price that to between $5 and $10 then. So I'm going to keep that one. And then we have a current coin of Czech Republic. So this is a 10 korun worth about 50 cents. So it's a Brno. So that's the city. Now this is a bronze coin, so if you go to Czech Republic, you'll be using these in change. And then we have a Swedish coin, 1980. Okay, Swedish, so what's Sweden? 50 öre. And the design's okay, pretty simple, but you know, doesn't stand out, so not really worth any value really. Then we have a Romanian coin, 1960. So this one is a 25 bunny. It's 1982, I think they issued these in aluminium, but this one is steel. As you can see, communist motives, they like to have, I don't know, industry, intellectuals, or agriculture. Nothing about wealth. And here's the communist coat of arms. So it's probably worth about $1 or $2. Then we have a French coin. So this is a 20 cents. These circulated up until 2002. And then I'll change to the euro. So this is not really worth that much. Had an exchange rate of about 4 cents at the time. And then we have a pre-decimal coin from the UK. 1949. This is a copper nickel issue. It's a Scottish one. Has a thistle. Has a Scottish shield, coat of arms, and it has one line. The English ones had 3 lines. And yeah, it's probably worth $1 or 2 as well. Then Brazilian coin from the 60s and 70s. So this is a commemorative one. FAO issue. And this is 1975. So this is a steel issue. So I need to check the mintages because some of these are actually quite small. And the last coin we'll have is a 25 Peso from India, 1980, copper nickel. This is when the Indians actually produce coins are actually good quality. And as you can see, this one is pretty good. So I said I would do this all in one hit, but we're over the 10-minute mark, so I think I will save the rest for the next video. Anyway, nothing very special out of that. The only good thing that I got is this rotated coin from East Germany. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much and have awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.